and humble. Now you read this chapter by yourself. Here is given a story. I will explain you this story in my own words and you have to read this chapter by yourself. Okay? Now in this story, once upon a time there was a king and queen, and they lived and ruled together happily. After some time, queen gave to birth a son. On the day his birth, the fairy godmother visited the king and queen and said, I will grant you any wish for your son. Which wish you want for your son? The queen said, we wish grant wealth for him. He should want for nothing. The money can buy. Fairy said, your wish granted. As Prince Rufus grew, he had every toy a boy that could wish for, but no one liked him. He became more selfish and demanding. After few days, queen said to king, oh dear, where did we go wrong about our son? However, the queen soon gave birth to a second child as a daughter named Celia. Again, fairy came and said to ask a wish. Queen said, yes, we wish that we should have a great talent and so became famous in the world and land. Fairy granted his wish. When Princess Celia grew, she became a singer with her beautiful voice. But no one liked her because her nature is boastful and she became a big-headed. Again queen said, where did we go wrong about Celia? After few times, queen gave third child birth. Third child as a daughter. Again fairy said, I will grant a wish for your daughter. Which wish you want? Queen said, we know what we wish for our daughter. We have learned by our mistakes with Rufus and Celia. We wish that she would be the most. Queen said, for her third child, she want that wish that she should be most loving person in the kingdom. So fairy godmother said, yes, your wish shall be granted. Then her third child name is Joy. When she grew up, everyone loved her because of her good nature. She loved all the animals and nature. She helped everyone. That's why all people love her. So, the moral of the story is, it was pride that changes angels into devils. It is a humility that makes man as angels. Means when pride means if you. So the moral of the story is, it was pride that changed angels into devils. It is humility that makes man as angels. Means अगर आप में घमंड है तो आप एक अच्छे इंसान से भी बुरे इंसान बन सकते हैं, लेकिन आप में ह्यूमिलिटी विनम्रता है तो आप बुरे इंसान से भी एक अच्छे इंसान बन सकते हैं. So this is the moral of the story. Now you read this chapter and find out this, fill in the blanks because they are very easy. And in this page, question number C, answer the following questions. I think these questions are so easy, but still I will tell you the answers. How many children did the king and the queen have? So, you know that how many children king and queen have? 3. So, you have to write this answer correctly in full sentence. The queen and the queen have 3 children. Second number, illustrate a situation which shows Celia an arrogant girl. So answer is from here. When she said her servant, "You are just a pathetic servant with no talent at all." This is the answer of second number, and you have to write this line also. When she said to her servant, and from here started and here finish this second answer. So now third question is, what did the king and the queen ask the fairy godfather for their 3 children?